awesome people, I'm Tauqeer and today I'm gonna tell you how to convert mono audio into stereo audio in Adobe Premiere Pro in very simple and easiest way.
Unless it's simple, I won't get it. All I wanna do is party, not good
So as you can see,
for my
there's
body,
only
but my dreams
sound
are
on
big, just
my
keep
left side.
moving. Everyone are so
So as you can see, there is only sound at the left side, not on the right side. So we will come here on the effects and write fill, and here you will see fill left with right, fill right with left. If there is no sound on the left side, then you will use fill left with right. If there is no sound on the right side, then you will use fill right with left. In our case, there is no sound on the right side,
conforming, and this
Look.
is so damn boring.
so we will use this fill right with left. It's like magic. Now it's done. Look.
Unless it's simple, I won't get it.
Simplest
All I
and
wanna
easiest,
do is
super
party,
easy way
not
to
good for my
convert
body.
mono audio into stereo audio. Look.
Everyone are so
You
conforming,
can
and this is so damn boring. I don't remember a time I didn't feel so tired. Should I feel blessed? I even here at all.
If this video really helped you, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.